I'm doing this video to show my alternative guide for Carrera Go. This is the second version. It's a little bit smaller, as some suggest. This was the first version, and it's very easy to install. No changes are needed in the car. Just remove the old one, this pin, remove the pin, and in the same hole with this screw 2 millimeters by 10, you put here and you screw the new guide. The best of this for me, that I run the cars without magnet, is I can add a limit to the rotation of this new guide. And to do that, I just put a wire from a paper clip here, let about 1 millimeter out, and then screw the new guide here. This is very easy to print. No supports needed. Takes about 5 minutes in my printed. Might be faster in another. My is already quite old, about 5 years or something like that. And you screw till the end without lock. If you lock it, just unlock a little bit. And here it is, the new guide with limit of rotation. This works also in Artin, but in Artin there is no limit. It rotates 360 degrees. This is a beautiful car, was my inspiration, the guide from Joef. And here it is. It works perfect. For me, at least, it goes from here till here. Of course, this is not working. I will try to do another video showing how it runs. Hope you like it. You can download the guide from Thingiverse if you want. I will put the link in the description.